Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. We are going to take a test today. We are going to take a test today. But Mr. Smith, you didn't say anything about that before. But Mr. Smith, you didn't say anything about that before. You must always be ready. You must always be ready. You should all know that. You should all know that. Why didn't you tell us? Why didn't you tell us? It's a pop quiz. It's a pop quiz. Please don't do this, Mr. Smith. Please don't do this, Mr. Smith. Stop arguing, Lisa. Stop arguing, Lisa. You can't talk to Lisa like that. You can't talk to Lisa like that. I forbid you to do that. I forbid you to do that. Shut up, Marcus. Shut up, Marcus. Mr. Smith, please watch your words. Mr. Smith, please watch your words. That's enough, Marcus. That's enough, Marcus. Get out of the classroom. Get out of the classroom. Excuse me? I don't understand. Excuse me? I don't understand. You need to leave the classroom now. You need to leave the classroom now. And do it now. And do it now. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go. Does anyone else have anything they want to say? Does anyone else have anything they want to say? Don't you think you're exaggerating a bit, Mr. Smith? Don't you think you're exaggerating a bit, Mr. Smith? What is exaggerated about it? What is exaggerated about it? You just threw Marcus out. You just threw Marcus out. He didn't do anything wrong. He didn't do anything wrong. He disrupted the class. He disrupted the class. He was just defending me. He was just defending me. If he's important to you, you might as well go. If he's important to you, you might as well go. Then that's what I'll do. Then that's what I'll do. What was wrong with Mr. Smith today? What was wrong with Mr. Smith today? I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it here. I don't like it here. He's usually not like this. He's usually not like this. I don't know. I don't know. What do we do now, Marcus? What do we do now, Marcus? Should we go back inside and apologize? Should we go back inside and apologize? No, absolutely not. No, Absolutely not. He's a teacher. He can't talk to us like that. He's a teacher. He can't talk to us like that. What are you suggesting? What are you suggesting? I would wait and see first. I would wait and see first. You really don't want to do anything? You really don't want to do anything? No, let's just go home. No, let's just go home. And then we talk to our parents about everything. We talk to our parents about everything. That's a good plan. That's a good plan. So I'll see you tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Exactly. See you tomorrow, Lisa. Exactly. See you tomorrow, Lisa. See you tomorrow, Marcus. See you tomorrow, Marcus. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Lisa, what are you doing here? Lisa, what are you doing here? Why aren't you in school? Why aren't you in school? Mr. Smith kicked me out. Mr. Smith kicked me out. What did you do this time? What did you do this time? Nothing, I swear. Nothing, I swear. Wait a minute, my cell phone is ringing. Wait a minute, my cell phone is ringing. Yes, hello, Mr. Peters here. Yes, hello, Mr. Peters here. Hi, Mr. Peters, this is Mr. Smith. Hi, Mr. Peters, this is Mr. Smith. Hi, Mr. Smith, why is Lisa already home today? Hi, Mr. Smith, why is Lisa already home today? I can explain. I can explain. I must apologize to you and Lisa. I must apologize to you and Lisa. I overreacted a bit. I overreacted a bit. I'm sorry. Please tell Lisa. I'm sorry. Please tell Lisa. I'll apologize to her in person tomorrow. I'll apologize to her in person tomorrow. I understand. This can happen. I understand. This can happen. I will tell Lisa. I will tell Lisa. You're only human. You're only human. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding. What did Mr. Smith say? What did Mr. Smith say? He apologized. You told the truth. He apologized. You told the truth. So I'm not in trouble? So I'm not in trouble? No, don't worry, Lisa. No, don't worry, Lisa. Who was the first to leave the classroom? A, Mr. Smith, B, Lisa, C, Marcus. Leave a comment. Who was the first to leave the classroom? A, Mr. Smith, B, Lisa, C, Marcus. Leave a comment.